Design is more than just placement. It's about creating an atmosphere. Today, we're building a high-end, one-page portfolio in CorelDRAW 2025. We begin with the foundation. Using the rectangle tool, we define our workspace with a sharp portrait layout, setting the stage for a modern aesthetic. Structure is key. By duplicating our primary shapes, we map out the different segments of the portfolio, ensuring a balanced visual hierarchy. Now we define the mood. We anchor the top with a deep, void-like black. And introduce a vibrant yellow section to command attention and energy. Every brand needs a face. We'll carve out a dedicated space for the profile image, a frame within a frame. Next, we map out our gallery. These placeholders will soon house the masterpieces of our creative journey. Identity matters. Using the text tool, we type the designer's name in a bold, clean typeface, followed by their core skill set to define their professional DNA. Bringing the design to life, we import our profile shot and use the power clip feature to seamlessly embed it into our frame for a polished, integrated look. Touch of contrast. We place a clean white square adjacent to the profile, adding a breath of minimalist space. Now we bring in the work. We import the portfolio pieces, carefully aligning them to ensure a sense of rhythm and professional order. With precision, we fit each design into its designated placeholder, turning a layout into a living showcase. We refine the boundaries, adjusting the background to perfectly encapsulate the entire composition. We detail the expertise. From UI, UX, and graphics to motion design and video editing, we label our content sections with clarity and intent. Connection is the final step. We integrate high-fidelity social media icons and contact details, ensuring the designer is always within reach. For the final touch of divine lighting, we overlay an image onto our yellow section and apply the transparency tool, creating a sophisticated, ethereal watermark effect. From a simple rectangle to a cinematic masterpiece, this is the power of CorelDRAW 2025, your portfolio redefined.